Man is constantly surrounded by energy fields. They flow through him. He is dependent on them, and he makes use of them. Likewise, many systems of the human body also produce natural electric force fields that flow through the body. A strong, always present force field emanates from the heart. The electrocardiogram, ECG. This is measurable on any part of your body, right down to your little toe. When we move around a lot or play sport, our body is full of strong electrical discharges. Each action of the nerves is accompanied by a force field. This measurable current originates from the walls of the cells, which are charged differently on the inside and the outside. Food and oxygen are thereby passed through to the cells and guarantee the provision of energy for muscles, tissues and organs. At the same time, carbon dioxide, water and sediment are secreted. These metabolic processes, whether in muscles, glands, nerves or the brain, are the basis of any regenerative process. Deterioration of cell structure because of lack of movement is especially evident. Deficient nerve and muscle impulses impair the production of protein. The body breaks down. In addition, cell functions will deteriorate because of deficient nourishment and inadequate trace elements. The result is that the human potential of biological regeneration, healing and resistance against disease is weakened. There is another factor which concerns us all and which reduces the electrical energy fields of our body: the aging process. After the age of 20, the electrical charge of the body cells decreases. The biological energy of the cells reduces and vitality and resistance decreases until finally death. Because of little exercise and poor nutrition, our energy potential is further reduced and we easily become prone to illness. Through sport, good nutrition and a lifestyle free of toxins, we can remain healthy for a longer time. The biological potential of mankind to withstand diseases is well in excess of 150 years. So how can this be achieved? Important studies began at German universities. Scientists carried out a widespread study on the influences of electromagnetic energy fields on people. For 6 months, 700 people of various health levels were exposed in a test case study to different energy fields. Meticulous analyses showed changes in the blood of the patients within 12 weeks after the commencement of the research. Blood which was acidy and unhealthy regained normal values. After 4 weeks, the blood of patients treated with therapeutic energy fields could absorb more oxygen. As well as that, the blood sugar level decreased, which is a very important factor with regard to diabetes. Concentrations of calcium and magnesium in the blood increased, and high cholesterol values decreased. These results initiated the use of energy resonance in medicine. For example, in the field of orthopedics, hip prostheses were always a major problem. Now, when the hip joint loosens, it can be stabilized with energy resonance therapy, because an improved exchange between blood flow and body cells increases the concentration of calcium for bone density. First of all, the scientists recorded the specific energy fields of healthy young people. These data were stored in electronic programs. Frequencies and intensities for the different body systems, for bones, heart, nerves and stomach, etc., were programmed into the Medec control unit, which could then be transferred back to the user in the form of pulsating energy fields. This is possible with the help of electrical coils, which are concealed in a mat. The body of a person lying on the mat is resonant to the electromagnetic force field of a young and healthy body. This effect is enforced by oscillation of the same phase, which is transferred to the brain with the help of a color pattern through LED glasses and as rhythmic tones via a headphone. The cells of our body, and thereby the whole body, cannot distinguish whether the electric force fields are coming from outside the body or are produced within the body itself. Regeneration and healing of the human body is increased.
We have already had success in the treatment of broken bones and migraines.
Broken bones heal
Knochenbrüche
faster
heilen
using
schneller
energy
unter
resonance therapy.
Magnetfeldtherapie.
Migraines can totally
Migräne
disappear.
kann ganz
The
verschwinden.
patients are
Man
given
gibt
a
den
whole new
Patienten
lease on
natürlich
life
neues
when, for
Lebensgefühl,
example,
dadurch,
their
dass die
headaches have
Kopfschmerzen zum
disappeared.
Beispiel verschwinden.
Individual organs, as well as nerves, circulation and digestion, can likewise be successfully stimulated by using the resonant frequencies of these body systems, results which have been confirmed by users of the energy resonance therapy.
Zum Beispiel, ich konnte ja kaum
I
die
could
Treppen
barely
noch
go
runter,
down the
bloß jede
stairs,
Stufe immer
always at
einzeln.
only one
Jetzt kann
step
ich
at a
wieder richtig
time.
so gehen.
Now I can walk really well.
And how often do you use the Medec system?
Jeden
Every
Tag.
day.
Ich habe bereits nach 3 Tagen eine
After 3
dermaßen
days, I
Verbesserung an meiner
experienced
Hüfte
such a noticeable
festgestellt,
improvement on my hip
dass
that I
ich
bravely gave up
ganz
taking my
mutig die
medication.
Medikamente weggelassen habe.
I
kann es
recommend
jedem
this
empfehlen.
therapy to everyone.
Also, children's learning ability and concentration can be increased through the application of the energy resonance therapy. These methods can be used not only for therapy, but also for preventative treatment, to revitalize the whole body in the morning, or for relaxation and easier sleeping in the evening. It's calculated that only 8-minute stimulation with the Medec system produces as many body field signals for cell metabolism as would 1.5 hours of playing sport or heavy exercise.